not stop again. I did not stop again.
What do you need?
I did not stop.
What do you need?
Why are you following me?
I'm not following you.
Yeah, you fucking are!
Give me your driver's license.
You.
Give me your driver's license.
You.
Give me your driver's license. Do you have any weapons?
What did you pull me over for? What is
for
the
driving
reason?
under the speed? Are you failing to
You're failing to follow the law, sir. This is illegal.
I already explained
this is illegal what you're doing. You back the up. You back the I ain't backing the up. Nice. All right, come on.
Step it up, we're fighting.
Come on. Come on.
This isn't a training drill. This is raw body cam footage of a police officer, an enraged motorist, and a routine traffic stop that turns violent. And if this can happen to a trained police officer with a badge, a gun, and backup on the way, imagine what can happen to you. In this video, I'm going to show you the warning signs, the tactical mistakes, and the split-second survival principles that can prevent this from happening to you. Let's check it out. Let me give you the quick backstory. In this body cam footage, a Phoenix police officer conducts a routine traffic stop. The driver is already outside his vehicle, verbally hostile, refusing to comply, and demanding a supervisor. As the encounter continues, his aggression escalates until he attacks the officer and a violent fight breaks out. What happens next is fast, ugly, and nearly fatal.
The one that's going out, yelling at me, doing whatever. I get behind you.
I wasn't yelling at you.
There's a speed limit down Cactus.
I wasn't going past it when I was trying to get behind you.
Do you know what the speed limit is?
35, 40 miles.
It is 40. You were traveling 30. You need to be at 40.
That lady right there was just going so slow, you had to go around her to get to me, dude. You ain't gonna
and you go around her and then you stop again? What is your problem with
me? No,
I
did not stop again. I did not stop again.
What do you need?
I did not stop.
What do you need?
Why are you following me?
Following me?
Yeah, you are!
Give me your driver's license.
You.
Give me your driver's license. Give me your license.
This is the first major lesson. This man is not merely upset. He's enraged. Listen to the profanity, the tone, the verbal hostility, and look at his body language. He's not trying to resolve the situation. He's intentionally escalating it. Now translate this to your world. If someone acts like this toward you in a parking lot, a gas station, or a road rage encounter, you cannot dismiss it as just yelling. I've mentioned this repeatedly in my videos and books. You must understand the pre-contact stage of self-defense. This is where violence often announces itself before it becomes physical. The attack doesn't start when the first punch is thrown. It begins when the person's behavior tells you he's losing control.
What did you pull me over for? What is
for
the
driving
reason?
under the
No,
speed
you f***ing did.
Yes, I did.
No, you f***ing did.
Yes,
no, you f***ing did.
I already told you.
This is illegal.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No,
You
it
ain't
is not.
giving you
Give me your driver's license.
Get your f***ing superior here right now.
For what?
Get your f***ing superior here, you f***ing funk.
Give me your driver's license.
Back the f*** up. Get your superior.
License.
Get your superior. You get your superior.
For what?
Because you're pulling me over.
Nope.
You and me for no reason.
Nope, I already told you.
You're a punk ass bitch.
Sir, there's no need to yell. I need.
What makes this footage so important is that this man is enraged from the very beginning. He's verbally hostile, physically aggressive, irrational, and constantly pushing the encounter towards violence. That matters because rage changes everything. You're no longer dealing with a typical disagreement. You're dealing with someone whose emotions are overriding judgment, boundaries, and consequences.
Sir, there's no need to yell. I need your driver's license.
No, go get a superior.
He's on his
tracked me down.
He's on his way.
Sat back there. Did you not just sit back there? Did you not sit back there?
Sir.
I don't give a what Ashley has you doing.
Doing a record check on your plate. Relax. I need to see your driver's license, please.
You.
This is a stop.
Get your superior. I know.
He's on his way. You want him to magically pop up? He is on his way. I called for him. He's on his way. I need your driver's license. Any weapons in the car?
Get the away from me. You're illegal as right now, kid, and you know you are.
How is this illegal?
Tracking me down, stalking me, you
was,
turd.
I saw your driving behavior.
Dick's all tiny and shit and everybody.
Now stop and think about this for 1 second. If this guy is acting this aggressively toward a uniformed police officer with a badge, radio backup, and a handgun, imagine what he might do to you. That's why you cannot dismiss this behavior as just yelling. This is how violence announces itself before it explodes. I'm pleased to announce that my new book, Shut Up and Learn: The Brutal Truth About Self-Defense, Street Fighting, and Martial Arts, is now officially available on Amazon in both paperback and Kindle editions. You can scan the QR code on the screen or use the Amazon link in the description down below to get your copy today. This book teaches you how to think, train, and fight for real-world violence. You'll learn how to recognize the difference between fantasy-based martial arts and functional combat, how to identify dangerous training mistakes, and how to understand the psychology of violent encounters, and more importantly, how to develop the kind of practical fighting skills that actually work when it matters the most. This book was written for people who want the truth about real-world self-defense. No belts, no rituals, no nonsense.
Just past the lady going 0 miles an
Sir, are you
hour.
gonna provide your driver's license?
Get your superior.
Okay. You need to identify yourself with a driver's
My name
license.
is.
What is your birthday?
What's your birthday?
You don't need my birthday. What is your
You don't
I
need
need to
know my
identify
shit.
you.
What did you pull me over for?
I
Why did
already
you stop?
told you.
Why did you stop, you little punk ass bitch? Why did you stop?
Because
Park
I saw
there.
you stop,
Park
you
there.
exited, and you
Then
threw
why
your
didn't you
hands up
stop
at me.
then?
I was
Why
waiting
didn't
for you
you
to
f***ing
so
stop
I could
then?
conduct the traffic stop.
You're f***ing scared, you little bitch. That's why.
Notice what's happening here. He's pacing, raging, arguing, and keeping the confrontation alive. Now, the officer has a duty to remain engaged with him because this is a lawful traffic stop, but you don't have that same obligation. If someone is raging like this, your job is not to stand there and win the argument. Your job is to keep your hands up, create distance, and avoid getting emotionally dragged into the confrontation. And always look for an exit before the situation turns physical.
Sir, I need you drive.
Your mother. Go get your goddamn superior.
He's on his.
Just get out of my
Can I have
face.
your driver's license?
Get
Your
out of my
insurance,
face.
registration.
You
please.
shut up. There it is. There's my f***ing no. You ain't
I don't
handing
know
you
who you-
shit. You ain't handing you shit.
Sir, do you have insurance?
I ain't handing you shit.
Do you have insurance?
Back the f*** up.
I am not backing up.
Back the f*** off me.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please?
No, not until you f***ing get a superior.
He's on his way.
You ain't doing shit. I want a lawyer
If you
before I
want to
say
speed
another
this
thing
up,
to you.
I need to see your insurance.
First, let me make something very clear. I'm going to point out several tactical mistakes this officer made. As a law enforcement master instructor, I'm qualified to do that. But this video isn't about police training. I'm using this footage for civilians like you because the same warning signs, tactical errors, and escalation pattern can happen to you. The police officer is talking with his hands in front of his body, and that's exactly where they should be. This is one thing he does very well. His hands are not down at his sides. They're up, visible, and available. Now translate that to civilian self-defense. When you're dealing with a hostile person, your hand should be up in a de-escalation stance that helps you diffuse the situation, but at the same time becomes a first strike platform if a preemptive strike is legally justified.
Shut your f***ing pig mouth.
I need to see
All right,
your insurance,
bitch, get
please.
back.
I'm not getting back. I need to see your insurance, please. Are you failing to provide your insurance?
You're failing to f***ing follow the law, sir. This is illegal.
I
What
already
you're...
explained
This
to
is
you.
f***ing illegal what you're f***ing
Back
doing.
up.
You back the f***
I'm not
up.
backing
You
up.
back the f*** up. I ain't backing the f*** up.
up.
I ain't backing the f***
Back up.
You back the f***. Grab that shit,
Back-
motherfucker.
I am not grabbing it. There's
Yeah,
no...
you...
Now the man is starting to close distance while he's still raging. That's a major danger sign. When an enraged person begins encroaching on your space, The situation is moving even closer to physical violence. Also notice how he turns his back to the police officer. That doesn't make him less dangerous. It makes him more unpredictable because now you can't see what his hands are doing. He could be reaching for a gun, a knife, or preparing to cold cock you with a sucker punch. Hey, we're about to get back into the video, but let me ask you something. Do you want to legitimately accelerate your self-defense skills? And are you sick of clickbait videos teaching absolute garbage? Or tired of being misled by unqualified wannabe experts who have zero credibility or experience? If the answer is yes, now is the time to join my War Machine memberships. As a member, you're going to get exclusive access to in-depth training videos, exclusive full-feature video content, downloadable training PDFs, and direct insights you're not going to find anywhere else. Plus, you're going to have direct access to me in the comment section of all my videos. So if you have questions, you're going to get real, detailed answers from me and not some random keyboard warrior. So if you're serious about mastering real-world combat skills, hit the join button below and start training like a true war machine. Now, let's get back to the lesson.
Little f***ing punk.
Back
Little
up.
f***ing punk.
Sir.
You!
Back up.
Off of me. Get your f***ing hands off
I
me.
need another unit here.
No, you're not gonna f***ing arrest me.
Sir, back up. Back up.
You back the f*** up.
Back up.
You back
Dude,
the f***
back
up.
up.
Get your f***ing hand
Stop.
off me.
You cannot touch me. Stop.
You should not f***ing
Back
touch
up.
me.
I told you to back up. Dude, please,
Again?
please stop.
Again?
Please stop walking up on me.
I'm in my goddamn
Back
car.
up. Back up.
Now he gets directly in the officer's face, and the officer pushes him back with one hand. The problem is that one hand will not control an enraged person and will definitely escalate his anger. As soon as the officer touches him, the motorist swats the hand away, which tells you he's no longer just arguing. He's now physically challenging the police officer. The officer keeps putting his hands on the man's chest, and moments later, the fight breaks out. That's the lesson here, guys. Never touch an enraged person. If your hands touch him, it should be a strike or it should be used to create significant distance.
I'm in my goddamn
Back
car.
up. Back up.
Nice. All right, come on, bitch.
Step it up. We're fighting.
Come on.
Let me stop it here. This is where the tactical window for the officer is gone. The motorist and the officer are now squared off, and now the opportunity for a clean, preemptive strike is gone. Once both people are in fighting stances, you're no longer ahead of the violence. You're inside of it.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. 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 Come on.
Notice the quality of the motorist's attack. He throws a sloppy kick that misses, then starts swinging with punches. That's real violence, folks. It's not clean, it's not technical, it's emotional, chaotic, and driven with rage. This is where the situation becomes life or death. The attacker rushes in, crashes into the officer, and now it becomes a close-range fight. That results in the man grabbing for the police officer's gun. Now watch the bystander. He jumps in and tries to pull the motorist off the police officer from behind. Now I respect that intent to help the police officer, but once you enter a violent struggle like this, you cannot half commit. Most people are not mentally prepared to do what actually needs to be done in that moment. From that rear position, the bystander had an ideal opportunity to shut the attacker down with a rear naked choke. Instead, he tried to pull him and control him with no effect. Once the bystander disengages, the officer manages to draw his firearm and shoot the motorist in the leg. The motorist was later treated in the hospital and later booked into jail. This is exactly what most martial artists do not understand. Real violence crashes into you with reckless abandon. And when the attack comes, notice how kinetic, violent, and chaotic it actually is. This is exactly why most martial art techniques fail in real-world violence. They depend on clean attacks, cooperation, and perfect conditions. Real violence gives you none of that. And if there's a weapon involved, whether it's yours or his, everything becomes exponentially more dangerous. Real violence usually starts in the pre-contact stage with warning signs and tactical mistakes most people make long before the first punch is thrown. It's something martial arts, boxing, and MMA never truly prepare you for. But contemporary fighting arts gives you the knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary to recognize danger early and survive these types of situations. Be certain to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future combat breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next video.
From the ancient Colosseum, where gladiators lived and died, to the storm-torn seas, where iron met flesh upon shattered decks, to the battlefield, where wrath carved kingdoms in blood, bone, and steel, we follow the War Machine. War Machine Chronicles celebrates the warrior archetype, the ethos society seeks to suppress, to soften, to erase. From the age of iron and blood, where warriors roared defiance in the face of death, to all men who still feel the war drum beat beneath their skin, written for fighters, soldiers, and survivors. For those who still walk the edge, it is transformation, forged to harden the mind, discipline the body, and sharpen the will. War Machine Chronicles, not just a book, it's a sacred codex of wrath. Over 300 pages, more than 100 haunting illustrations, combat verse, and lethal philosophy forged by Sammy Franco. War Machine Chronicles, not just a story, but a weapon. It teaches, it tests, it transforms. War Machine Chronicles, available now on Amazon in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle.